That was fucking awesome. Good shit.
We had
fucking sent that.
We had some moments.
Oh, there was a few. There was a few, but they were good.
That was fun.
How's the car?
Good. I definitely had less grip with those tires that we changed over. Like, that's why we plowed through so bad. We had different tires on the front.
Did you change your fronts?
Yeah,
Okay,
like we had like...
It was a little pushy, but
yeah,
like,
I was like, oh shit. I was like, this is my braking point before, and it's just going.
yeah, and then you keep the ass down. Oh, it was good though. That was a lot of fun. Good shit.